I'm obsessed with connecting real people to real supplements. Let's get into this video. Hey, my name is Billy Hinzo. I'm 30 years old and I am the owner of a retail supplement company in Southern California. I've got a couple stores now and I've been in this industry for over 10 years. So we're gonna be sharing a little bit about what I've learned over the last 10 years of this journey in supplements and health and nutrition. I have a huge passion for supplements. At 15 years old, started using protein powder. I was super sore. I'd been getting beat up my freshman and sophomore year in football and had no way of recovering, no way of moving the needle in the weight room. And so I started taking supplements and really began to notice a difference. So that's what brought me here. I want to share a little bit more about what I've learned and how I can help you maybe avoid some mistakes and also take some best practices and move forward with that as well. So what you can expect from this channel is a lot of information that you didn't previously know. So not a bunch of redundant things that you could have figured out easily by Googling it, but hopefully some tips about what supplements to take, what's beneficial, things that I've tried that have worked really well for me, things that I've tried that haven't worked so well. The reason why I really am in a good position to help you move forward in your nutritional path is I'm not paid by any of these companies to talk about this product or that product. I own my own company, we own stores, and that's how we make money. We don't make money by me getting something and then telling you it's great, even though it might not be a great product. So I'm not gonna compromise the integrity of what we're trying to do here. I'm trying to give you good information that you can use, tell your friends, tell your family, and you can become your own guide to other people in your life. I'm gonna be sharing with you what I've learned over the last decade I've spent in this industry. And again, if you like what you're seeing here and you want to be a part of this, please subscribe. And also, subscribes are becoming less and less of a thing these days. So if you don't hit that notification button, you might not be getting all of these videos. So make sure and hit that notification button as well. And really, I'm trying to build a community here. I'm not trying to just tell you something. Please comment, like, share. I learn new things every day about nutrition, supplements. Even though I've been doing this for 10 years, one thing I've learned is you learn new things all the time. So I'm happy to hear what your thoughts are, what your comments are. And so don't hesitate to join in and be a part of this tribe. Thanks again for tuning in. You can follow me on Instagram at BHinzo, Twitter at Billy Hinzo, and definitely make sure and subscribe.